Hi, second grade. Today we're going to continue our poetry unit. We are going to do a Cinquain poem today. Now, a Cinquain poem has 5 lines. Line 1 is your title. That's a noun, so it'll be a person, place, or a thing, and it's 1 word. Line 2 describes the noun, so you're going to use adjectives here, and you're going to pick 2 words. Line 3 is your action words, which are your verbs. You're going to pick 3 words, and then you're going to add ing to the end. Line 4 is a feeling or a phrase. It's usually 4 to 5 words. Line 5 is another title. It's another noun. You could use a synonym for the title or maybe even a word that describes that title. I'm going to show you next what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. You're going to have the title of your poem, your noun, your 2 adjectives, your 3 verbs with ing added to the end, a 4 to 5 word phrase that describes the noun, and then another name for the noun. I'm going to give you 2 examples before we do one together. Snow. Snow, lovely white, falling, dancing, drifting, covering everything it touches. Blanket. So here's our title. And then we write it again. It's our noun. Lovely and white describes snow. Falling, dancing, drifting are our verbs ending in ing. Covering everything it touches tells about snow. And then blanket is another way to describe snow. Castle. Castle, strong, beautiful, imposing, protecting, watching, symbolizes wealth and power. Fortress. So again, we have our noun. We have our 2 describing words, our adjectives describing castle, imposing, protecting, watching. We have our verbs with ing at the end. Symbolizes wealth and power, describes castle. And then we have another noun, fortress, which is a synonym for castle. Let's go ahead and do one together. So the first thing I want to think about is, what am I going to write about? So I think today I'm going to write about a lion. Now, underneath there, you're going to write lion again, because that's your noun. That's what you are writing your poem about. Now, what I like to do is I like to jump down here to another name for the noun. All right, because that's easy. We're talking about lion. Let's think about what is another name for a lion. First thing that comes to mind for me is cat. All right, now I'm going to go up to my adjectives. I'm going to think of 2 words that describe a lion. I know that a lion is yellow, and a lion also has a lot of fur. So I'm going to put furry. Now I have to think of 3 verbs about a lion. So I know a lion stalks its prey. So when I write it, I'm not going to write stalks. I'm going to write stalk and add my ing. A lion also roars. So I'm going to put roar, and then I'm going to add my ing. One more. A lion runs. So I'm going to put running. You see, I didn't write runs. I wrote running. We have to add that ing at the end. 4 to 5 word phrase that describes a lion. The lion is the king, because I know that the lion is the king of the jungle. And then look, I already have my another name for the noun. So here's my Cinquain poem. Lion, yellow furry, stalking, roaring, running. The lion is king, cat. Okay? Once you've done this, you're going to have a chance to go ahead onto a flip grid and present your poetry to the class. So I'm really excited to see and hear your poems.